Today I have for you the Guide Gear front ATV basket. This is a universal fit basket. It is 36 inches wide by 17 inches long. Holds many things. Currently, I have my chainsaw. I'll get that out for you. Pruning shears, but can hold a lot of weight. Let me show you a close-up of how it installs. So it comes with the brackets and all of the mounting hardware is included. So here again, you see really super easy mount. And again, this is the Guide Gear front ATV basket. Really great, especially when you're out working, doing stuff and need something to hold your gear.